What if one nation could triple its aircraft carrier power in just a decade? A newly released Pentagon report reveals that China is planning exactly that, a dramatic expansion that could redefine naval dominance across the Indo-Pacific. By 2035, China aims to operate 9 aircraft carriers, marking the largest carrier buildup in the region since World War II. This raises a critical question. What does this mean for the balance of power? And how will the United States and its allies respond? At present, China operates 3 aircraft carriers, making it the second largest carrier force in the world, behind the United States. These include Liaoning, Shandong, and the newest and most advanced addition, Fujian. While this number may seem modest compared to the US fleet, the real significance lies in China's long-term vision. According to the US Department of Defense, Beijing plans to expand its fleet to 9 carriers by 2035, effectively tripling its ability to project naval air power. Aircraft carriers are more than just ships. They are floating air bases, capable of launching and sustaining air operations far from home territory. With a fleet of 9 carriers, China would be able to maintain a continuous presence across multiple strategic regions, including the South China Sea and potentially beyond. This level of capability could challenge existing US dominance in the Pacific and introduce a new era of naval competition. A key part of this transformation is the Type 003 aircraft carrier, Fujian. Displacing around 80,000 tons, Fujian is the largest aircraft carrier ever built outside the United States. What truly sets it apart, however, is its electromagnetic catapult system. This advanced technology allows aircraft to launch with heavier payloads and more fuel, significantly increasing their range and combat effectiveness. It represents a major shift away from the ski jump systems used on China's earlier carriers, Liaoning and Shandong, which limited aircraft performance. Fujian is expected to operate a new generation of aircraft, including the J-35 stealth fighter and the KJ-600 airborne, early warning and command platform. Together, these systems will greatly enhance China's naval aviation capabilities, allowing for better situational awareness and more powerful strike operations. The move toward catapult-assisted launches brings China closer to the technological standards of the most advanced US carriers. China has also demonstrated growing operational confidence. During recent exercises, including the joint sword drills focused on Taiwan, Chinese carriers were deployed in simulated blockade scenarios. These exercises are designed to test the ability to restrict access to key maritime zones and to coordinate operations across multiple branches of the military. In one notable development, the Liaoning and Shandong carrier groups operated together in the South China Sea for the first time, signaling progress in multi-carrier coordination. Looking ahead, China is already working on its next-generation carrier, known as the Type 004. Reports suggest that this future class may be nuclear-powered, a capability currently possessed only by the United States and France. A nuclear-powered carrier would allow China to operate farther from its shores for longer periods without the need for frequent refueling, dramatically expanding its global reach. Despite China's rapid progress, the United States maintains a significant advantage, with a requirement to operate at least 11 aircraft carriers. These include both the long-serving Nimitz class and the newer Ford class, which feature cutting-edge technologies similar to those now appearing on China's Fujian. The US also maintains a forward-deployed carrier presence in Japan and regularly sends additional carriers to the Indo-Pacific region. At the same time, regional powers are adapting to the changing environment. Japan is modifying its helicopter destroyers to support fixed-wing aircraft, effectively turning them into light carriers. South Korea is exploring its own carrier ambitions, while India already operates 2 carriers and is working to modernize its air wings with advanced fighter jets. This broader trend suggests that carrier-based naval aviation is becoming increasingly important across the region. China's plan to field 9 aircraft carriers by 2035 is not just a military expansion, It is a strategic move that could reshape the balance of power at sea. As new technologies emerge and more nations invest in carrier capabilities, the Indo-Pacific is entering a new era of competition. The key question remains, will this buildup strengthen deterrence or increase the risk of confrontation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth military analysis.